Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Unbounce landing page platform MyA. Unbounce landing page platform MyA is a service that allows users to create and optimize landing pages for marketing campaigns without needing to know how to code. It's primarily targeted towards marketers, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to improve their online conversion rates. Key features include drag-and-drop page builders, A/B testing capabilities, and various integrations with other marketing tools. Their website provides details on various pricing plans and features offered. Unbounce emphasizes its ease of use, promising even non-technical users can quickly build high-converting landing pages. They highlight the platform's ability to improve conversions and streamline workflows compared to building landing pages from scratch or using less specialized platforms. Unbounce leverages a cloud-based platform, enabling users to access and manage their landing pages from anywhere. You can check out their website for details on availability and specific plan options. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Unbounce landing page platform MyA. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The onboarding process guided me through the basic features and offered helpful tips. I was able to build my first landing page within an hour, thanks to the intuitive drag-and-drop interface. I especially appreciated the pre-designed templates, which gave me a solid starting point. Navigating the interface was generally smooth, although the sheer number of customization options within the builder felt a little overwhelming at first. I experimented with A/B testing different headlines and call-to-action buttons, and found the analytics dashboard very useful for tracking performance. The loading speeds of the published pages were consistently fast, which is crucial for a good user experience. I did have a quick question about integrating my email marketing software, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, especially for managing multiple campaigns simultaneously. The standout feature for me was definitely the A/B testing functionality, which made it easy to optimize my landing pages for conversions. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have been convenient for managing campaigns on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for custom HTML and CSS, but the built-in features were more than sufficient for most of my needs. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Unbounce. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and significantly streamlined my landing page creation process. That's my overview of Unbounce landing page platform MyA. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.